Welcome to the review of the Kizo drill press. Now with the drill press, it does come with the safety guard, the nice rail system that you can use to lower it. Just tighten that up, make sure it's looking good, but nice action there. If you want. This is a 5-speed. only 5-speed, and I'll show you how to change them in a minute. This is the plate that you can move up and down to get your workpiece to the drill head, and the metal base. I mean, and the on and off switch. I mean, this is a very basic tool and dated as well. But I got this from my granddad's to start this workshop with, and I wanted to keep it in the family kind of thing. But I've already outgrew it because it won't allow me to use my Forstner bits at all. This is essentially how much I can use my Forstner bit. So essentially, it's good for drilling with the smaller drill bits, but as soon as you stick a Forstner bit in it, you're not going to get anywhere near, so I need to get them out. But a quick demonstration on if you need to change a 5-speed, and this applies for any 5-speed. You've got to take off the top. Now when I got this was all at the bottom, this was at the slowest setting, so you can hear how rapid that's going. So if you need to change, and you will have to change for different drill bits, so bigger Forstner bits require a lot less speed, and smaller ones will need, or smaller drill bits will need more speed. To do this, you slack it off the motor here, take that down to the depth there, and I'll just tighten that off just now, and then it's up to you now to pretty much just guide that belt down. So if you try and do this, just trying to line it up with that there and down. So there we go, that's it on the... so you see you wanted it on the third one down, so you obviously, belt's a wee bit twisted now, but I think that should sort itself. So next thing you do, if you want it on the third one, you move this motor back the way, and close your lid. I'm getting this one, which is the Bosch electric one. So not only can you set actual depth on it, you can, this one here changes the speeds, and you can go between low speed and high speed, and then change it to number 2 there, and you can get even higher speeds. It's going to be insane. So it is with regret I am going to have to retire my granddad's machine, but as you saw, it's not fit for purpose. It's not fit to do anything, to be honest. It's a relic. So unfortunately, this is going to have to probably go to the big instrument graveyard in the sky, I guess. Which is a shame, because I thought initially when I get it, I mean, I know it's an old bit of kit, but I thought it'd still do the job, and unfortunately it has not done the job. I do, however, still have my granddad's rail saw, and that, my friends, is an excellent bit of kit. But yes, sad that I'm losing the drill press, but I'm really happy with my new purchase. So I'm going to be unboxing and doing a review on that tomorrow when I receive it. So hopefully I'll receive it quite early in the morning, because I'm going out in the evening. If you did like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you didn't, don't give a thumbs down, just go on to the next video. Hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. And we now have one of these.